Hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to the lecture series of automotive design. So till the last video, we have checked the draft analysis for the back door design. Okay, so we have completed uh, up to the windshield glass. Okay, now we have to do a few more features. So in this video, we're mostly trying to giving this strength embossers. Okay, okay, let's connecting flange. Up to this we have done, and then this in this is the area we can call it as the windshield area. So I'm making one geometrical set, windshield area creation. Okay, and yeah, the next operation would be the fencing, uh, sorry, the lancing. So lancing is a one kind of feature that we have to give. So but before that guys, let's trim this off. Okay, so how can we do that? Go to home, sketch, in this way it would be better. Plane method, go for new plane, select this horizontal plane. The origin point would be, select any point. Okay, so this is fine. I want to cut here, I want to make one cut here. So which is very as simple as like this. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's add a one circle so that is more easy to control. So 10 is enough. Enter. Where this one. Okay, let's okay, I don't want to make it complex. Okay, okay, let's try to add one circle. Okay, sketch, go to new plane, origin point I will select this as my origin point and click on OK. Let's add one circle at this origin point. Okay, this radius is enough for me. Okay, diameter 10. Select the two line, so feet. Okay, now go to geometrical constraints. Okay, geometrical constraints. Now I want to make tangent relation here between these two. Okay, and then I can trim it off. Okay, and then I'll take a little like this. Okay, finish, and then I'll project it. Go for curve, project curve, and select the sketch from the tree, and the faces would be this, and the direction of vector I'll select this. Okay, faces I'll select this also, this also. Okay, so that's it. Now go to surface, trim sheet, select this sheet and select this boundary. Okay, now it will remove this. I want to keep, so that's it. Hide this curve. Okay, it seems like it is not good enough. We can edit the sketch anyway, always. Okay, right now I will keep it like this. So hope you remember when we are doing the draft analysis, we got a red face here. That means the face cannot be tooled, right? So anyway, we have removed that face, so we don't have to worry about it. Okay, let's try to use the thicken operation again. Whether it is working or not, we will check it. So 0.75. Okay, it is working on one direction, and we'll check for another direction also. Yeah, without any issues, it is being selected. So let's save it once. So now we will do. Okay, let's add these three also in this windshield area generation. Okay, we are supposed to do it in connecting flange creation. Okay, anyway it is okay. So now we will create the lancing, so which is a quite easier operation. So how can we do? Very simply, we'll see it. So go to phone, sketch, go for new plane and select this, select the horizontal vector and the origin point. So I'm selecting like this. Okay, this is okay for me. X is on my right hand side, Y is in top side, and Z is towards to me. So this is the orientation that you should follow whenever you're doing sketch. Okay, right click, fit. Okay, now I want to create the lancing area. So the easiest option would be select the profile tool, and then we have to provide some cutout here. Okay, for accessing the wiper motors or something like that. Okay, so that's why I'm keeping some space for that, and by keeping some space for that, and I'm making the lancing like this. Okay, so we have to finish, you have to constrain the sketch properly. I'm not doing it. It will take time, guys, so that's why I'm not doing it now. Okay, okay, let it be finish sketch, and I want to remove the area there. So but before that, go to curve, project curve, select the sketch, and then I want to project the sketch on this face along with vector. Which vector it is? Okay, this is that vector. Okay, you should be able to. Okay, I think we have done any mistakes there. So go to sketch, select the plane, go for new plane, select this, horizontal vector and select the origin point. Okay, I'll select the origin point like this. Okay, okay, now let's do this same sketch again. Okay, okay, the sketch seems like too small. Okay, this would be the lancing operation. Okay, you can directly take one plain rectangle also. Let's try that. It would be very easy and simple. And I want to create the fillets in this stage itself. And then after you can double click on it and you can give the fillet radius however you want. So in my case I'm giving 3 values. Control Z. So but before that you have to constrain it properly. Double click on it, enter. So automatic dimensions which are formed, so which will help to you, which will helps to us. The value I am taking 10, enter. Okay, okay, this length we will constrain that also. This is the thing that will MX will irritate you guys. So see, whenever I'm editing this dimension, the entire sketch is going somewhere else. Okay, so I have to give every single sketch the constrained one 120, enter. And this length would be 130, enter. And this length would be 120, enter. Now it won't go anywhere. So 10, 10, 10 radius. Okay, so this is okay. So finish it and then project that sketch. Go to curve, project curve, select the sketch, and I want to project that sketch on this surface along with this vector. So click on OK. Go to surface, trim sheet, select this sheet and select this boundary region. I want to keep the origin region. Click on OK. Okay, so these are the sketch. Hide, yeah, you can hide that sketch, and also all the sketches that you can hide at once. So click on hide and show, curves and sketch. That's it. Okay, let's create lancing. Okay, we'll have to create one more. Okay, let's do an extension. Now use a log extension here. Go for curve. Don't go for a diamond curve. Go for only single curve. So the vector would be this, and the length would be around. Go for 10, not 10 degree, 0 degree, enter. Okay, or else you can directly use the face. I want to choose this face and I'll choose the 90 degrees, enter. So this is forming in another way, so which is not possible. So go for a vector only. Select this vector and give the value 0, enter. Okay, anyway we can trim this off, so there is no problem with that. Okay, the question is the length, how much length I need to put. So that is one question. So in order to answer that question, we need to see about the class A surface. Class A repeat. Okay, show this. And this lancing, the support should not come outside of class A. That means you need to control this law extension even below the thing that you needed. So let's go for 60. Still it is coming out. So let's go for A50. Yeah, 50 is optimized value, but if you give the thickness it will touch each other, so go for 40 only. Or else what we can do is hide this class A repeat, and law extension that we are giving right from here, right? So we don't do that, we will give at the middle. So delete this sketch, where it is, click on OK. Okay, okay, let's do the home sketch and go for new plane. Select this plane, horizontal vector would be this and the origin would be this. Okay, I will do like this, that's it. So 300, so this would be 150, enter, and this is 120, enter, and this length I'll take it as 40. I think it would be enough. So finish sketch, want to project it, go to curve, project curve. Okay, select the sketch. Okay, we forgot to add the fillet in the sketch, so go to fillet, keep the value 10. Okay, finish the sketch and then go to project curve, select this curve and select this face. Vector would be this, click on OK and go for trim sheet. After that you can hide this sketch and project it. So this is how we have the surface up to now, and now we will create one flange, so which will is the lancing. So go to the law extension, okay, how much length we need to see about the class A surface. So the angle I will take 10 degree, enter. Okay, 90 degree, okay, 10 degree only. Okay, go for 20 degree, enter. Change the direction, this is fine. So go for 16 degree. Yeah, 14 degree is also fine. Change the length, okay, increase this length 20 degrees, decrease this length also 60. So that is fine, so that is a optimized thing. Apply, hide this, lastly repeat. Okay, and then last extension I will again use this vector would be this. The 20 flange is enough for it because I will put some mastics here. So this is enough for me. Click on OK. Now I have to provide some cutouts, reliefs. Proper name is would be relief. Okay, I want to provide one relief like this way. Okay, so go to curve. There is an option called curve on face. Okay, I want to draw a curve on this face and this face. Okay, point on curve G1. G1. Okay, let's try to trim them. It will work or not. We'll try it. Yeah, it is working. So let's delete this curve. So I just have checked it whether it will work or not. So since it is working, I'm going to use in the blend curve option, face blend. Okay, go for short. So there is an option called too on, too long, too short. Yeah, none of these things are not working. So width limit. So this is the thing that you can say about it. So enable limits. Okay, tick this mark and choose the edge. I'm choosing this edge. See, I can only specify how much my fillet would be. That is also I can control. So that is also I have controlled. Okay, okay. Let's do the same thing here also. Okay, decrease this value. 2 is enough for here. Click on OK. Okay, stage blend is not working properly. So do them together. Go to edge blend. So 1 or 2 is enough here. Yeah, this is fine. Now we'll have to provide one relief here. So without relief it will tear the entire surface. So let's do the tear now here, and without tear, so it will even causes problem for thickening also. Okay, so for that I'm using the curve on surface option, and I'm choosing these 3 curves. In the first point, tangent continuity, okay, I will trim this off. Surface, trim sheet, I want to trim this. Yeah, that's it. Now after that you can hide this off. Okay, let's try to use the thicken operation, whether it is working or not. Up to this it is working. Reverse direction also, yeah, it is working. Okay, so that means up to here we are not having any mistakes. So let's make them into a new geometrical set and name it as lancing creation. Sorry, lancing creation. Okay, the next thing would be providing the embosses. Okay, so okay, let's do those things. Okay, for that, go to home, sketch, go for the new plane, select, select the plane, choose the horizontal vector on horizon plane, origin point, and align the vertical and horizontal axis properly. So click on F8 for normal view. Okay, so the first thing I will make the embosses. So first emboss would be, okay, we'll hide the class here. Okay, I can have an emboss right from here to here to here. Okay, okay, let's delete this line. Okay, look the line command. Okay, let's delete the sketch. Okay, we'll do it again. Sketch, go for new plane, horizontal axis, and origin point. Okay, hide the class area field, don't need it. Okay, I will create okay, this is enough. Finish sketch. So curve, project curve, select the sketch, and the object would be this. The direction would be this. Click on OK. We have to create emboss here. So the best option would for doing that would be selecting this surface So we'll be having an option called emboss. So where it is emboss, select the curve. This is the all the curve, and emboss faces I'm choosing this face. See, it will start generating the surface, and I'm choosing the datum plane. I'll choose selected face. So don't go for the tangent curve, go for single curve. Still it is not working. Okay, set. So 20 also not working. Okay, okay, embossed face. So this is fine. Let it be. Okay, in the draft direction guys, that is the most important thing, and you will have to choose the draft. Okay, 10-degree draft. So I think it would be more than enough. So next thing, yeah, it is okay. Click on OK. You are having one emboss. So this is okay. Hide the sketch, and we will say about one more emboss. Okay. So for that, click on Home, Sketch, go for New Plane, select this plane, and horizontal vector, on origin point, towards the axis, like this way. Go for Profile, and I will keep it like this here. I want to create one sorry guys, okay, that emboss feature will work for so I thought in the sketch level itself, if we given, okay, let's try to give fillets in the sketch level itself. So I'll go for 5 value, or no, 10 value. Okay, let's go for 15 value. Okay, that would be more optimistic. Not less, not more. Go for 15 value and 15 value. Okay, finish sketch. Let's project them. Go to curve, project curve, select this sketch, and select this face, and vector would be this. Click on OK, and let's try to use the emboss command again. Emboss, select all this, and okay, emboss face would be this. Let's see whether it is forming or not. Yeah, it is working, but see the draft direction also. Click on OK if it is OK means. Okay, emboss is created, so without any difficulty. Okay, so let's hide all this. Okay, sketch and projected sketch, all we have did. Now let's try to provide the fillet between these two. So go to edge blend, it is not working here. So 4 value, I think I can even provide more fillet here. So go to sketch, (25). Okay, so wait for a few minutes guys. So from here onwards the loading process will be more. Okay, it will always takes more time to get loaded properly. Okay, okay, double click on emboss. Emboss is creating one problem. Let's review it. Okay guys, it got a little stuck down. Okay, emboss is okay. Tan value it is working. So let's go for tan value. Okay, let's use the surface edge blend option. Yeah, so it is the value 4. 4 is also working fine without any difficulty. Here is one more thing, so we will change the radius for there also. Give 20, So home, finish. Yeah, numbers is also fine. Now let's surface trim sheet, right? So 4 is the value that we have to create. So sorry guys, we'll okay. Let's give edge blend for inner area only as of now. Apply. Go for 3 value. Now we don't intersect. Okay, let's okay, this sketch I want to do some changes. So go to home, fillet, go for the value 10, enter, Ctrl Z, fillet 10, enter. So 10 is enough. Optimize the value. So we have to wait for the emboss command also to get reloaded. So yeah, there is no any error. So we try to apply the fillet here also. Go to surface, edge blend. First apply the inner surfaces. 4 is the value for inner. Apply and then go for the 10 value. 3 okay. 3 value, enter. And I want to do one change here also. So this emboss I have given 10 depth only, but this emboss I have given 20 depth. I want to change that also. So 10 only. Click on OK. I think the edge fillet will create problem. Okay, let's see. Okay, there is no any error. So 10th emboss is also created. Okay, let's add all the curves and sketches, the points also. Okay, now we have to provide cutouts. Okay, I think this is a more space for latch and striker, so I'm going to change in the sketch. So wait until it gets loaded properly. So for inner panel only it is taking this much time guys, so we have to create a outer panel also. Outer panel we have two modules. So one is upper panel, upper panel, outer lower panel. So all these things that we have to do. So that's why I said it will take more than 5 to 6 hours time. Okay, let's add this sketch also. I don't want it to be displayed. Okay, emboss creation, and then we have to provide a cutout also. Okay, for damage reduction. Okay, so how can we do that very easily? Go to curve, offset curve in face, make sure the tangent curves all are selected, and leave a gap of 10 mm. That is fine. Okay, 10 mm, it is creating an issue there. So go for 8 mm. Okay, 8 mm is fine. Click on OK, and then go to surface, trim sheet, go to trim sheet, select this sheet and select the connected cross. I want to discard that region, orange region. Click on OK. Okay, after that you can hide the sketch. Okay, similarly let's do the same thing here also. So go to curve, offset curving face. Okay, let's decrease the length 6. Also not fine. 4 would be okay, but 3, yeah, it is okay, let it be. Okay, 3 is also not working. Okay, uh, try to go to curve, offset curving face, select this curve, space, go for 2 value first. So obviously it will work. Yeah, go to surface, trim sheet, boundary would be this. Select this, I want to discard it, click on OK. That's it. Control Z. Okay, after curving this I am hiding. So let's one more time we'll check about the draft analysis. Stage by stage we are doing the draft analysis and checking the thickening possibility. So in order to avoid mistakes that I am doing every single stage. Okay, you don't have to worry about this lancing operation because it can be bendable any time. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Up to here everything would be okay. Let's try to use a thicken operation. It is also working or not. We will try it. Yeah, I know about it. Thicken will always fail. Okay, let's try to decrease this fillet radius. Go for 3 mm. And let's try to use the thicken operation again. Yeah, one side thickening is working. So inside it is working, so which is what we want. And let's try opposite side, it is working or not. Yeah, opposite side also working. That means the procedure up to here, which is correct. So the next thing would be what we have provided strength embosses. Okay, what and all the things that we needed more. Okay, let's add them in a separate geometrical set. Emboss creation. Okay, the lancing creation, emboss creation, everything done. Now the mounting point creation. Okay, so that is also quite a bit easy. Okay, let's hide this tooling axis. We don't have it, we don't need to have it anymore. Okay, let's create mounting point. So that is also easiest thing. So how can we do that? Go to home, plane, select this curve and make sure it is on curve, and I'll create 50, enter. Okay, wait, 40, enter. D is fine. Okay, okay. Now I want to make an intersection. Curve, intersection. Select this face. I want to use these 4 faces only, and the face plane would be this. Apply. Okay. Now select this plane, home, sketch, go for new plane, select this horizontal axis, and the origin would be this. Okay, nothing we needed, one line we needed only. So finish it. Hide it. Hide this plane also. Okay, go for extrude, home, extrude, or else you will be having the same extrude feature in sorry, yeah, extrude feature will be having in the same thing in the surface or pinch also. Okay, let's 20, enter. Symmetry value 40, so that is fine. Now let's use the law extension. I'm choosing the face, so 20 degrees from this direction, 30, okay, 50, enter. 60, 70, okay, 60 is more enough. Apply. Okay, so we have to extend the sheet a little wider. So okay, let's join these two by using face blend. First surface and second surface. So 4 mm it is more, 2 mm is enough. Okay, 3 mm is optimizer condition. Select this surface again. Okay, wait. Click on OK. Now let's extend these surfaces a little bit. 10 enough. Okay. Let's trim them off. Use the face blend option again. Okay, click on OK. Okay, the similar thing we need to here also, to have few holes here also. So go to home, not sketch, plane only. Select this curve and I want to create one plane right at that position, and click on the curve intersection. Go for single face. Click on OK and go for sketch. Go for new plane, horizontal plane, origin point. Okay, so select line. So go to geometrical constraint and coincident, select point on curve, select the curve on point. No. So this is okay. I think this is okay. How much length it is? 18 mm, which is not enough. So let it be 24 at least. Finish. Go to intersection curve, hide it. Datum plane, hide it. So go to surface. We'll be having extrude option. Select this and go for symmetric value and 30, enter, 40, enter, 50, enter. Apply. Okay, now law extension. Go for law extension. Select the edge, face, 60 degrees, apply. Okay, use the different option. Okay, extend sheet, 10 mm extension enter. Okay, let's trim them off. Okay, so I spent nearly 1 hour time on this continuously. Okay, so the next video will be see about the creating the mounting areas for the motor and the latch and striker. So that's up to this video guys. So we'll say about we'll meet in next video.